Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where we are going to walk through how to clone an existing order in Kugamon using Cirra AI, making it even easier to manage order updates with AI directly inside Salesforce. Cirra AI acts as a Salesforce admin, letting you build and manage Salesforce simply by describing what you need in plain language. When paired with Kugamon CPQ, Cirra AI helps end users move through order workflows faster with fewer manual steps while keeping everything native inside Salesforce. By the end of this walkthrough, you will see how cloning an order with Cirra AI can save time and streamline your revenue operations in Kugamon. So let's dive right in and explore it further together. This video is part of a Kugamon and Cirra AI series, so it is recommended that you check out the video description below, open the playlist, and watch all of the previous videos on how to get set up, the videos on the quote, order before jumping into this one, because we are going to pick things up where we left off and you will need to have a few things already created in your org or your test org so that you can follow along. So in our case here, we will need an order so that we can clone it. So if you haven't watched those videos, check out the playlist. And if you have, then let's jump right into it. Okay, we will need to open the last conversation thread that we had with Claude, where we asked Claude to change one of our line items. Once you have that open, scroll to the bottom and you should see a similar summary. Essentially, click on the link where it says View Order. Make sure you are logged into Kugamon so you can actually view the order record. And all I want you to do on here is just copy the order number because we're going to use that in our next question. Once you have that copied, let's hop back into Cloud. Feel free to leave that tab open. And then let's ask our question. I'm going to phrase this in this exact way. Can you please use the clone button from Kugamon to clone order blah blah blah? I would recommend that you get as specific as me and just have your unique order number there instead. And when you're ready, let's click enter. So what we want to do here is open the cloned order. So let's click open link. Okay, and right away, you will notice that the number that your cloned order ends in should be the number that's after your original order. So mine was a 1, so this cloned order is a 2. Also though, Cloud does add this copy into the name, so just FYI, if you don't like that, you can always modify the order name. But what we're going to do from here is create the PDF. And then I'm going to go back to the original tab and also create a PDF. And what I want is to confirm that both order PDFs match. So here, product and service lines. In my example, I have this GenWatt propane 100 kilowatt. The support is silver. It's 255K. So in this one, I'm expecting to see the same. And indeed, here's the 100 kilowatt. Here's the silver, and it's 255K. So really the only difference that should be present is the difference in the order number. And in this case, also the order name. So that is how easy it is to clone an order in Kugamon using Cirra AI. If you have any questions about any of these steps, please reference the video description below for shortcut links to get in touch with the appropriate support team. And if you like this video and want to explore some more within the Kugamon and Cirra AI series, check out the video description once more to jump to the playlist where you can watch all of the related tutorials. See you there!